Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As-salatu wa-salam ala Rasulillah. In today's lesson, I would like to show you how we can create this interior design, which is TV place in Revit. However, I'm not an architect, but I will try to do my best. Okay, so how we can create this called TV place in Revit? It's very easy, and just open a new file in Revit, so new, and make an architectural textural template. And the first of all, just change the unit to centimeters, maybe better for like this design, or you can whatever you can choose, no problem. Okay, and okay, after that I want to change the go to the south, and I want to change the elevation from 400 maybe to 300, and after that go to level 1, make walls. Okay, just click it, maybe 5 meter by 4 meter is enough, I think. So 500 by 400, I'm sorry, 400, not 4000. Okay, just escape to times, and now we can create our, just move it, and we can create our design. Okay, I want to remove this wall for now, and what I want to do, I want to make this design. So I can start from this one or this one, no problem. I will put this one 80 centimeter, and after that this is maybe 10 centimeter, 10 to 50 centimeter, no problem. 10 to 15, and I will make the rest after that. So just let me start from this one. For this purpose, I will go to south elevation, so I can see all my walls. Just select everything, and from here, because I didn't select to level 2, so I will change here to up to level 2. Okay, so it's very good. And just go to find, and go to find, I think from front, yes, I can draw like this, or I can go to from the south, the same thing. Okay, I can from 3, no problem, I have no problem with it. Okay, so what I'm going to use component and model in place. Okay, model in place. So just click model in place. I have this, maybe I say furniture, so furniture 1. Okay, okay, that's very good. The first of all, I have to set a plane, so pick a plane, click it, yes. After that, by extrusion, and let's make a rectangle like this. Maybe this one 250, and this one maybe 80 or something else. Cancel. After that, I can move this one to here. Okay, that's very good. What I have a thickness of it, maybe 3 centimeters. So I will give 2 or 3 centimeters, no problem. So let me try 3. As you see, now when I roll over the mouse to the to this line, it selects the larger one. Okay, so just click tab. Sorry, just click this 3, enter, and let me select this one first. Just click tab to select the smaller one, and you can select the smaller line. After that, trim and extend for all the corners. And about the extrusion, what I have, this thickness, let's say toward this direction. So maybe 2 centimeters is enough. So I'll change this 25 to 2 and say okay. Okay, that's very good for this type of wall. After that, I have this inner section. So again, I will go to create by extrusion and pick lines. So just click this line is. I can look in place, no problem. For this, I want to change the extrusion to 1. So okay. As you see now, it's like this. Okay. So it's very good. After that, I have this type of connection. This type. This one. This wood. So how can I do it? Again, it's pretty easy. Again, you go to extrusion and pick line first. So pick. Sorry. Delete this line. Sorry, delete this line. Pick line and this one. Okay. I want to select this one. Okay. How about this dimension? How we can divide them? As you see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spaces. It means that this dimension I will divide to 4. Okay, just let me go to annotate and let me see how much this dimension is. 220. So it's pretty easy. 220 divided by 4. How is it is 55. Okay, 55. So what I have now, I have what I have to select this one 55. So pick lines 55 just to select the center lines. Okay, so I select the center lines. The center lines of this for this line, and for this line. Okay, that's very good. Now again, I have another line. As you see, I have another line like this. I'm sorry. Just I cannot finish. So continue. Line. I can draw a line like this. Okay, this is an offset line by 55. It's I want this line. I want 2 lines because I want this line and this line. So let's say the same thing is 55. No problem. Or it's up to you. You can choose whatever you want. But I want to bring this down till here. Okay. After that, SL for split this line, and I can trim and extend these 2 lines just like this. Again, I want to split this line, so SL for split. After that, escape 2 times. After that, trim and extend, trim and extend, trim and extend. So it's very good. Again, what I have to complete this line till here. Okay, that's very good now. But I have thickness, as I said before. I have this thickness. I have to give this thickness. So I will choose 10 centimeter. 10. This I will not give it 10. Just I want to give that one 10. Yes, this one 10, and the rest is 5. Why? Because these are center lines, so 5 by 5, 5 at each side, like this. This one I have to give it 10. No problem. I can. I have this one. Again 5 for this. So now I think is everything is good. So just delete the center lines, and I will make trim and extend for the rest. it's just like this. Okay, trim and extend this line, these, 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 and these, everything. Okay, just delete this one, and I have to close these two. Again, for this side, I have to close it. About the extrusion, maybe 10 centimeter is okay. This thickness 10 or maybe more, no problem. Just click OK. So I have this problem here, so continue. Yes, it's not closed, so trim and extend for closing this line. Okay. Okay, so now I have this one. Just let me see it in 3D. Now I have this type of decor. Okay. For now, what I have to draw these, because this is the wall. I think wallpaper or something else, no problem. But I have to draw something for this one, so just to give this a thickness. How can I make it? Again, go to create and extrusion by pick lines first. So I want to pick these outer lines. After that, I will create lines like this. Yes, it should be till here. Escape double time. Double time is delete this one and trim and extend for to be this one line, and I can for the extrusion I can make 1 centimeter. Okay. Okay. Everything is good now. The remain part is this part, and again it's very easy. I can make this part first, this one, the bottom one, and again by extrusion. Cancel. I can align escape 2 times. I can align this line to this to that line. Yes, just to be aligned with it. And I can give this dimension, as you see, it's 50 centimeters. I think it's okay. And the rest is okay. Just say okay. But about the extrusion, how should we give it? This one maybe 30 centimeters, I think, is okay. 30, 35 is okay, or something like this. 35. Again, I'm not an architect. I'm sorry if this is a mistake. So I will not finish the yes, I'll say okay. Here, as you see, here is the like this. After that, I can draw this part. Again, it's very easy. Which create extrusion. Select this one from this line to from this point to that point. Okay, and cancel. After again cancel. Pick lines so as to give an offset, maybe 5 centimeter. Tap. We can select this roughly, no problem. And after that, trim and extend for all the edges. Just about the extrusion, the same thing for the bottom one, so it's the same extrusion, 35 centimeters. Okay, again the last part that I have these doors. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So I have this dimension from create extrusion, but let me first see what's this dimension. So click from here to here and 180. So 180 by divided by 4, it's 45, but 180 divided by 4, 45 centimeters. So it's very good, 45 centimeters. So I can create lines and give it an offset 45 centimeters. So from here 45, as you see, escape from this line 45, escape, and from this line 45. Okay, that's very good. And again I want to pick some lines. Now it's closed. Okay, that's very good, but as you see there's a gap between them, maybe 1 centimeter, so I will give it 0.5 centimeters at each side. Just zoom it again. Yes, like this, and like this, and like this. Okay, escape, delete this line, and this line. So what I have to do now, I have to just split these lines from here, here, and here. Okay, escape, double 2 times, and trim and extend the corners. This with this with that, everything. Sorry, I chose one by mistake. Okay, so the same extrusion, or I can make a little less, maybe 32. Just let me see in 3D. Now it's like this. You can change it to 35 as you want. It's up to you. Okay, this is the design and it's up to you. I think it's a little bit smaller. So this is the whole thing. So I can say finish the model. But before I finish the model, I have to change this to fine and this to realistic, so I can see everything. I will delete this annotation line. I don't need anymore. The most important part now, the materials. How can I give these materials to, or add these materials to it? It's very easy. Just click here by from the category here from the materials by category. Just click 3 dots and go to appearance. I want to add one of them and go to appearance, and as you see here I have this wood. Let's say apply and okay. I changed this one or not. Flooring and appearance. Here you can change whatever you want, whatever you have, which material you have, or if you have some downloaded pictures, maybe this one, I don't know. Apply and okay. Okay, just click here. You see this is the material. Is the same thing or not? You can change, no problem with that. Okay, so we changed this material. You can change whatever you want, whatever which material that you have. Just click from here. If you want to use this one, maybe apply, okay, click here. It's up to you. So it's the same thing, I think. No problem. So we have this material, and these three are the same. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to just click this one from the material, 3 dots. Again, add another one, because if I don't add another one, I have to, it will replace for me. So it gives me that I have one of the another one. So I will say keep both, and I will choose this one, and from appearance I will click here, and maybe another one. I think it's this one. I don't know. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. So apply and okay. Let's click here. I think it's okay now. For this one, and from material, this one. Okay. Again for that one. By category. Floor one, and okay. So everything now is good. Except this one. I want to make this one white. So again, by category, I can change what I have to give it. I can give this one, and from the appearance, I think this one is okay for that. Let's just try. Yes, it's white, so it's good. For this one, I want to give a wallpaper. It's not doesn't matter if it's the same this or not, but anyhow, I will choose another one that I have downloaded. Again from material, I will put another one again, both from appearance. Click here, and from desktop. When I download the materials, maybe this or this one, or maybe this one, I don't know. Apply, okay. Let's see. It's like this. If you want to change it, again you can do it, no problem. Material, wood floor 2, appearance, whatever you have, which material that you have, maybe from these materials, this one, I don't know. Apply, okay. If I want to use this one, but you see this picture is not correct. I have some problems from here. I want to discuss this, but not for now, because it takes some time, and we can fix this one in Photoshop. So it's pretty easy in Photoshop. We can change it, but if you don't want, you can again use another picture. I don't know, not this one. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. Okay. So it's up to you. Again, for that one, by category, I want to create another one. So both, just appearance, and click here. Here, what I can select from its own material. I have these materials here. These materials, by the way, these materials comes with Revit. I don't know if maybe if I select this one for the lower one is better. I will change it. let's say this one, apply, and let's change this one floor to again from images, but first let me go back from here just to copy this one or to see where this is. So from program files, command, shared, materials, texture, and this path. Okay, command files, after that auto shared. So just go to here, from my computer, see common files, Autodesk shared, materials, textures, 3 mats. Yeah, here is the materials. Here's the materials. Just let me find that material. That, yes, this one I think, or maybe this one. Apply and okay. I think now is better, or we can change this one. I'll change this one, no problem. Okay, now both of them changed. No problem. Just select this one. This wood flooring 2, and what about that one? Wood flooring 2. So I'll change this one to wood flooring 3 for the material, this one, and say okay. As you see now it changed, but I think it's not nice. So I want to choose this one to another material. What kind of material that I have, I don't know. I can make a view, large materials, maybe this one, concrete, or whatever, what kind of. Let's say this one, apply, okay. Again, I am not an architect, so sorry if it's not nice. So finish this one, finish this model. So I have this model. Now I modeled this one. I have to change the walls. Okay, how can I do it? From edit type, again from here, from materials. I can use what kind of material again. Just I want to add another one. So flooring 4, appearance. Do I have tiles or not? I want to search for tiles if I have. This one maybe, or another type. Let's say this one and apply, and okay, apply, okay. By the way, if you see that this is large, this is not enough for you, you can change it very easily. You can change the its scale. How can I do? How you can do it? Just click on the wall and go to. Go to select one of them, one of the walls. Go to edit type and edit from here. From the material, click these 3 dots and click here. Just click on the picture. Okay. It opens this this one. So if I want to increase this one, or I want to make it larger, so I'll decrease this one. Otherwise I have to increase. So I want to decrease this one, so maybe 50 by 50 I think is okay. If you, this is closed, so it gives you like this. Again, I can rotate this one by whatever I want, what degree I want. So done, apply, okay, apply, and okay. So as you see now, it's like this. I think now is okay. After that, I want to bring a TV for it. So from insert, load family, I create this TV before. Okay, so from architect component and place component, I want to save the project later, no problem. So just click here. Okay, escape to times, just orbit around and bring this here and place it in the place that you want. As you see, this is I made before this TV. If you want, you can make larger, no problem. Yes, this TV is larger from ours, no problem. You can change this dimension if you want. Now I want, oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to make this into here to move. Yes, like this. Now I think it's okay or not. No, it's not okay. Go to top view and change to this one to wireframe so as to be clear for us. Now is good. I think change back to realistic. Yes, it's very good now. It's very good now. Okay, just go to top view. I want to make a floor from rectangle here, from this point to that point. Okay, cancel again, and from the edit type and make this one 10 centimeters. 10 centimeters I think is okay. And about the material, I want to change the materials also. Materials, let's keep both. Let's say this one, or maybe this one. Click here. Just rotate it by 90 degree. Done. Apply. Okay. Okay. Apply. Okay. And finish. Yes. Now I think everything is okay. After that, I can put a camera from here. Camera like this, as you see here. I want to see more. I want to see more here. From this point to that point. Here is okay. Change it to fine and change it to realistic. As you see now, everything is like this, but I want to see the top of it, so I want to make another roof. I'm sorry, Control Z. This is the camera, so if I want to, I can go to 3D view. I can change anything that I want. So I will copy this one. I will copy this one and copy it and align to selected level 2. Okay, so I will not change this one, because if I want to change this one I have to go to edit type. Anyhow, let me change it. Duplicate. Okay, so again for the material, give it another material, maybe white. I think okay. This one. Okay. Okay. After that, go to 3D view one, and you can make your render as if you want or not. From render, just you want to high, maybe render. you have to wait till the render finishes. So this is for today. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you.